Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a cracking weekend. Today freebie is this one here. It's a page designed to be used with my VIP launch paper for January, for this month. I'll show you in just a second the VIP papers, but I absolutely loved it. So this is a page that can be used as two sections. So as you can see, you've got a rectangle here and then two sides there, okay? Or you can either fuss cut all these little jars and glass bottles, etc. This is amazing if you do like a journal for, I don't know, a teacher, or I don't know if you are into Wicca, or, you know, do your own spells and medicines, so anything that you want. Right, let me show you the VIP papers for the month of January. The first kit is called Asian Dreams. Now, this kit matches perfectly what I have on my website, which is called Love from the Far East, which is exactly the same sort of structure. So you got the Asian lady and the temple, but of course in different colors, like different designs. So I love it. If you do Asian journals or like cards, because this can be a really nice cards of ephemera, this is the kit for you. Love that. And the color palette on those 4 pages are exactly the same. So it's black and red, with a little bit of pink. So they have been designed to match, each page to match one another. The second kit is called Lab. Yes, Lab. It's something very different, but I really like it because it's got a bit of vintage hint on this. I love the handwriting, and I just play with different colors. So you've got a bit of ephemera on the background. So a bit of a collage, a bit of handwritten. So again, you each page, you get 2 backgrounds like this. Now, if you print, depends on the set of printer, you can make this even smaller. So instead of having 2, you can have 4 on each page. But yeah, love them. So here you've got 1 top one and 2 rectangular ones, 2 rectangular ones. I love it. And 2 more. So again, as you can see, all pages blend and mix and match. And the last kit, it's called Cute Dogs. So it's a collection of tags showcasing all beautiful dogs. Again, I have something similar on my website for everybody to purchase, but it's not. This is more like a watercolor, like a painter sort of style. It's a collection of dogs, a bit like on a cartoony, but not too kiddie, if it makes sense. And you got the scallop tags. They're ready made for you. You can use them as they are, or you can layer things on top. This is my favorite. I'm not even going to attempt to tell you the breeds of the dog, but yeah, so there are your dogs. Okay, and then last but not least, we have the gift box letter. And this month, yeah, we are already on letter I. This is probably one of the simplest letter to construct. So all my VIP members will get a letter. Now let me show you the letters that we've done so far. So we have A. Where's the B? Oh, there it is. We've got B, C, D, we've got E, and each month the letter has got a different style. We've got F, we've got G, we've got H, which was last month, and this month is the letter I, and then next month is the letter J. So yeah, let me show you what these look like. So on this page you get the template of the box, see, with the tabs, they're already scored for you. And then because I had like quite half of the page free, I thought to give you just an extra envelope. Let me put it away. Let me show you what it looks like. And this is, guys, the letter I. This is what it looks like when it's done up. So of course you get a private video tutorial that showcases how to pull this together as well. And this is the little envelope that is made up. It's a square envelope. See, so what you can do as well, if you don't want to put an envelope up like that, just simply cut across the 4 sides, and these are 4 little pockets for your journal if you wanted to. But I do like the idea of having a little cutie envelope for some small ephemera. Okay, so if you wish to join my VIP lounge subscription, you get, of course, the 3 pages that you have just 3 packs that you guys just seen. You get a 30% discount code that is valid for, you know, for how long you want to subscribe for. And then of course the gift box, which this month is the letter I, and then matches this, as you can see. So it's been designed using the same sort of papers. Okay, if you wish to join the VIP lounge, is a fabulous subscription, and it's getting a bit large. It's a really large community, and I really appreciate every single one of you. So if you wish to receive all these goodies every month, or you can pay up front, let me show you on my website where to find it. Okay guys, so this is my website. So when you look at antoniomakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP lounge, there you go, you got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month, and then you have a yearly one, so you got the VIP lounge yearly membership. Okay, so if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the gold butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay guys, so you saw how to subscribe to my monthly digital papers, but these freebie is for everybody to be downloaded 2 ways: on my newsletter, and I will put what the newsletter looks like here on the left hand side. Is a little email that I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is like a recap of the videos of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code, a little offer. And on each email, there is always a freebie attached. And because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter will be sent out already, you can still subscribe today. It's absolutely free. And you get next Fridays and all upcoming Fridays to your email address. But also you can download about 300 of my freebies, including the Christmas Advent Calendars freebie that we've done together on my Facebook group. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media, and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, have fun and happy crafting. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like my freebie. I got loads of freebie coming up this year, and I love the Friday video because the freebies is just my way to say thank you. to every single one of you. If you wish to join my VIP lounge and get loads of papers directly to your email address every month, the link's in the info bar. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up, lots of love to every single one of you. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.